ABB is a leader in power and automation technologies that enable utility and industry customers to improve performance while lowering environmental impact. The ABB group of companies operates in around 100 countries. ABB Distribution Automation, a part of medium voltage power products, specializes in the automation, protection and control of electricity distribution networks and substation, making your power distribution easier and more reliable. The distribution automation factory, located in the western part of India, started its operations in the year 1980 at Vadodara. A modern factory with latest technology, the ABB Distribution Automation Factory at Vadodara has all the facilities it takes to manufacture cutting-edge technology products. The facility is ISO 9001 certified for quality systems as well as certified for its environment's health and safety norms. With state-of-the-art infrastructure in line with global standards and processes common to ABB facilities worldwide, it manufactures world-class relays. ABB is a pioneer in the field of protection and has a successful history of more than 100 years. The decades of experience and competence has been inherited from various organizations such as ASIA, BBC, Westinghouse and Stromberg, which are merged in ABB. Till date, the company has delivered millions of protection and control devices throughout the world and brought about a number of incredible innovations in the field of protection and control. Our technological history is divided into four main periods. The first period is the era of electromechanical relays, which started over 100 years ago. The next era is represented by static or electronic relays, which were introduced in the 1960s. The next era is represented by static or electronic relays, which were introduced in the 1960s. The era of microprocessor-based relays started in the beginning of the 1980s, and the first fully numerical relay was developed in 1986. Sparcom was the first relay based on microprocessor technology that is capable of communicating with upper-level remote control and automation systems. The pioneering work continued with the launch of the 500 series terminals in 1994 that are capable of handling protection as well as measuring and control data. The latest Reliant product family offers widest range of products, ensuring interoperable and future-proof solutions. Reliant products have been designed to implement the core values of IEC 61850 standard. The present range of distribution automation in India offers entire range from electromechanical relays to high-end terminals on IEC 61850. The factory has state-of-the-art manufacturing system in place for assembly and testing of relay. The manufacturing execution system is a shop floor control system located centrally. This is the common manufacturing system across ABB distribution automation-focused feeder factories worldwide. The manufacturing execution system ensures that the products get manufactured and tested as per the predefined norms. It provides real-time process data and status updates to the operators and supervisors. It also maintains the records of critical components for the product's life cycle traceability. All the drawings and visual aids required for manufacturing of the relay are available at the click of a button. The entire production is carried out in clean, dust-free and ESG-protected environment under ideal humidity and ventilation levels. The high voltage test as per the IEC 60255 standard is carried out on fully automated test station to check the product function. The test stations of all the feeder factories are interconnected to adhere to a similar made in ABB quality standard across the globe. The relays are packed in environment-friendly recyclable boxes. Distribution Automation houses a training center that is equipped with state-of-the-art facilities to provide each participant with hands-on experience using numerical IEDs, IED configuration softwares, injection test sets, and SCADA system operating on IEC 61850 protocol. All the relays of training center are connected to station automation system over latest IEC 61850 protocol through Ethernet switches. SAS is having MMI screen showing different functions like single line diagram, events, alarms, etc. along with breaker control operation. Experts who are a source of unparalleled domain knowledge and experience offer a well-structured training on a wide range of products and systems. These interactive workshops, hands-on training and product demonstrations help the customers to familiarize themselves with various product and system platforms and thus enhance their skills. A unique source of many innovation, ABB always believes in delivering the highest quality standards, thus improving the reliability, availability and security of any protection and control system. ABB products are able to provide the ultimate grid reliability, dependability and selectivity. Certified quality procedures and rigid testing is carried out at every stage of development and manufacturing processes. ABB has a strong presence in Indian market with large customer base. Some of the major customers include relays manufactured in Vadodara are also exported to various customers in Norway, China, Italy, Australia, Turkey, Germany, Malaysia, Czech Republic, and the list goes on. True to the organization's philosophy, the DF factory delivers products with made in ABB mark of quality and reliability. So be it for utilities or industries, choice of distribution relays is as simple as ABB.